welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Derek. I'm a front-end developer based out of Los Angeles, and today I'm continuing my series of Method Mondays where I go over every array method there is in JavaScript. And next up on the list for today, we're taking a look at reverse. So let's just hop into our editor and get right into it. Okay, so reverse, it does mutate the original array instead of creating a new one, so something to keep in mind. It does return the same array object now with reversed elements, so also something to keep in mind. And it is useful for reversing order in arrays of any data type, including numbers, strings, and objects. So pretty handy. For our first example, let's reverse an array of numbers. So we've got const numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can take nums and just hit it with our reverse method. And real simple, let's just log that to the console and see what we get. And as expected, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it simply just reverses those items of that array. So pretty straightforward. Okay, but what about strings? We've got const fruits here, apple, banana, cherry. So will it simply just reverse the items of the array or every character within every string? Let's find out. Let's take fruits, hit it with our reverse method, and then let's log fruits to the console. And okay, it didn't reverse it at the character level, but just at the item level. So instead of apple, banana, cherry, we get cherry, banana, apple. So it simply just reverses the items of the array. Now, what about nested arrays? So reversing an array of arrays. We've got const array of arrays here. It's just an array of 3 nested arrays, each one containing 2 numbers. Let's take array of arrays, hit it with our reverse method, and then log this to the console. And we've got our array of arrays here. Let's open that up. It's similar to our second example of strings. It just reverses each array item at the item level. So 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 2 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's about it for reverse. It's pretty straightforward. So devs, if you found this helpful, definitely like this video. I will link the code down in the description. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Take care.